Welcome to my channel. Today we're thrilled to present a hidden gem in Francestown, New Hampshire. Priced at $649,900, this charming colonial home offers a unique blend of privacy and comfort on a sprawling 3.7-acre lot. Built in 1998, this home spans 2,772 square feet and features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. As you approach, you'll be greeted by a picturesque covered porch and stone steps leading to the main entrance. Inside, the foyer boasts elegant tile flooring and built-in coat hangers. The eat-in kitchen is equipped with an island and gas range, perfect for family meals and entertaining. The living room with its warm wood flooring provides a cozy space, while the versatile bonus room, featuring a pellet stove, offers additional comfort. The main level also includes a convenient half-bath and laundry area. Upstairs, the expansive primary suite features a 3/4 bath and 2 closets, bathed in natural light. 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath complete the second level. The finished basement includes a large rec room, ideal for an office or hobby space, plus ample storage and access to the impressive 3-car garage. With high ceilings, insulation, and automatic openers, the garage is a mechanic's dream, and the 1,200 square feet of unfinished space above the garage holds great potential for an in-law suite. Step outside to enjoy a private backyard with a deck, patio, and above-ground pool. The property also features garden space, animal pens, and a chicken coop, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and hobbyists. Located in a peaceful rural setting with access to Francestown Elementary, Great Brook Middle, and Contoocook Valley Regional High School, this home combines tranquility with convenience. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Schedule your showing today. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing homes.